Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll show you how the Scroll Indicator widget helps customers track their progress as they scroll through your store. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Scroll Indicator widget, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. From there, click on Debutify Widgets and select the Scroll Indicator widget. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings and open the Growth Widgets. Once the widget is enabled, return to Debutify Widgets and open Scroll Indicator. Here, you can customize how the scroll indicator looks and behaves. Scroll bar height lets you adjust the thickness of the scroll bar, for example, up to 20 pixels. Scroll bar speed controls how fast the indicator moves as users scroll through your page. Scroll bar edge shape allows you to choose between two styles to match your store's design. Square features sharp, straight edges for a clean and modern look. This style works well with minimal or structured layouts. Rounded uses smooth, curved edges for a softer and more welcoming appearance. It's ideal for modern, playful, or customer-focused designs. You can also choose a color scheme to match your store's branding. Choose from light background, primary background, secondary background, or dark background. Or select custom to create your own color palette for full design control. And that's it. Your Scroll Indicator widget is now set up and ready to go. With the right customization, you can enhance navigation and create a smoother browsing experience for your customers. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.